Hello, and welcome to the Libguide/Resource by Subject Navigation. For every subject area taught at WSSU, a resource by subject, or sometimes referred to as a Libguide, is created by a librarian to help you. To locate this tab, you will need to be on the library's homepage. Once there, you will need to scroll down and click where it says Resources by Subject. On the right, you will see the library liaisons for different subjects. If you click on one, you will see where they've listed ways of contacting them. You will also see the other subject areas that they work with. On the left, you will be able to select any subject you are working on. It will list databases that will help you with your subject choice. It will also give you who your library liaison is for that subject. This does not mean that all the information you need will be under just one LibGuide. You may need to use additional guides or databases accessible to you under the library's homepage. As an example, I will be showing you citation styles. On this page, you will have the option to select which style your professor requires. It will show you a paper example, it will allow you to select which citation you need assistance on, and it will also offer a template to help you when structuring your paper. MLA style also offers a sample paper and template when writing. If you have any additional questions, please visit our Ask Librarian in chat. Here you can type in your question and a librarian on duty will be able to assist you. I hope that this video was helpful when navigating our LibGuides and resources by subject.